Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2004 F250 headlights. Start by parking level and disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then open the hood. Remove the grille clips and bolts using a 10mm socket and trim tool. Carefully unplug the headlight wiring harness and remove any retaining clips. Support the headlight assembly as you unbolt it and gently pull it free from the fender, inspecting wiring and harnesses for wear. Begin removal by loosening grille fasteners to expose headlight bolts, then remove those bolts with a 10mm socket. Unplug the headlight harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid damaging clips. Support the assembly and remove any remaining retainers or clips, easing the headlight out with a gentle rocking motion. Inspect the bulb sockets and wiring for corrosion and replace any brittle clips before installing the new assembly. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical truck tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfortable during long wrenching sessions and never let you down when crawling under the fender. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find it useful, give it a try. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new headlight assembly into its mounting points and hand thread the bolts to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the headlight harness and test low beams, high beams, and turn signals before fully tightening hardware. Make small alignment adjustments by loosening bolts and shifting the assembly for proper aim. Once satisfied, torque bolts snug, reinstall the grille and clips, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and perform a final full-function light test on the truck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.